Every parent has the right to send their son or daughter to an American college, knowing that they will be protected from any injustice. But every 21 hours, a rape occurs on the campus of an American college. Consent is an idea that needs to be taught before any child becomes an adult. Otherwise, the problem of rampant sexual assault will continue to go on undetected in this country. Yes means yes is a solution that originated from a California state law that has redefined the meaning of consent and the meaning of rape. There are no blurred lines. There are no... Students are beginning to bring awareness, but if we refuse to acknowledge the issue, this will teach rapists that it is acceptable. Though sexual assault is a common term, some may not know the overreaching aspects of its definition. The definition of sexual assault and rape is sexual contact without consent of the other person. This includes involvement with a victim who is unconscious, intoxicated, and unable to provide consent, and also a victim who does not attempt to resist. 1 in 12 college men admit to having committed the acts that define rape, but do not identify themselves as rapists. This comes to 8% of college men having admitted to being a sexual predator without realizing the harm and the shame that they are putting on their victims. Most attackers are a person that the victim knows and is acquainted with. 1 in 5 college women have experienced sexual assault. Yes means yes is a solution that works to define the new meaning of consent. While this may not be helpful in preventing attackers from being honest in the courtroom, the idea of yes means yes is to prevent victims from feeling ashamed or at fault in cases of sexual assault if they didn't give an explicit no. Teaching yes means yes will ensure that victims will not feel ashamed, prevent sexual abuse by portraying rape as what it really is, a crime. American high schools should teach yes means yes in their classrooms. In order to get rid of rape culture where sexual assault is normal and joked about, we need to create a consent culture, where consent is not only important, but where consent is mandatory.